Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial, I will be guiding you how you can create Facebook account into page. So before telling you the tutorials, make sure you have subscribed my channel for more tutorial videos and don't forget to hit the notification bell for the upcoming new videos on this channel. And if you like this video, then you can just hit the like button. So without any further delay, let's move right into it. So first of all, make sure you have logged in into the account that you want to turn out into the page. So once you open the Facebook app, you will be guided to this page where on the top right corner you can see the three-line icon. Just tap into it. You will be guided to this page where you can see the pages option on the top of the screen. Just tap into it. After you tap on the page option, you will be guided to this page where on the top you can see the create icon. Just tap into it, and then you'll need to tap into get started on the button of the screen you can see. Then after that you'll need to fill up all the credentials by one, and then you can easily create page by following these steps. So this was it guys, thank you.